Today we learn how to make this type of textures like gradient in Blender. Let's start it. Open the shading menu and make sure use nodes enabled. Then we connected the principal BSTF color base color to ColorRamp base color to color of the ColorRamp connected. Now we will add one more nodes that separate XYZ. Now we will connect one more nodes that's name of mapping. Mapping vectors nodes is connected to the vector of the separate XYZ. Now we will add one more nodes that's name is texture coordinate. Search texture coordinate and connected it to generate it to the vector of the mapping. You can see the difference. You can see the apply gradient color ramp on the objects. Now we will customize. Because we need z-axis along z-axis to apply gradient or color ramp. Now we will connect fag to the z-axis of the separate XYZ. Now we will add more color picker in the color ramp by plus button of the color ramp. We have add 4 color picker. We will apply different colors on different color pickers. Check and change its color to green.
I can do this.
You can add more color pickers as you need. You can see that applied different colors on one object by using nodes color ramp. Now we will increase the value of metallic 0 to 1 and decrease the value of roughness. Now this looks better than before. That's enough. You can check how is connected to the nodes. You can check all the nodes how are they connected. Now we change the fag to the y-axis. Now we will add any objects to check how to look like the texture that we have made. Just apply the texture on it. That's look better. You can see that's enough.